Adeɛ bi wɔ abrabom about mistakes. Na mistakes happen nipa da sani sɛ wadwen mu da hɔ a wode sua adeɛ. That is a lesson. Kumasi Asante Kotoko asua adeɛ in the season na yɛwɔ mu sisi no. Ahead of season a yɛwɔ mu no, omugya recruitment ɛma papa ɔda screen so yi, coach Prosper Ogum ɛna o recruit to about almost 10 players, 11 players ɛna Kotoko sign without any recruitment committee. And I sign mo say you will mujidie. You will mujidie. So no, the sign idea and Tom Faho. But unfortunately, the signings most of them see very honest to ourselves. Do not to improve your a few ones be and I show some indications say willingness no ho and omobo kakra makumasi Asante Kotoko ne Kotoko they are to Prosper Ogum anim say subjected to board any BB baby ano. Say or no coach Ogum and next season over your crop Asante Kotoko coach the woman say Kotoko be for me at the recruitment committee, and it is the way to go. Recruitment committee coach Prosper Ogum on also where nini be who players na players na ni then report to the recruitment committee. Recruitment committee, assess, ask the necessary questions and everything, so that omoma approval ni akofaba. And the recruitment committee, also ebenya the technical eyes ni be on that committee. Also bet me some few recommendations as to say player obeba Kotoko. Even though say ahead of the season, Bibia ni Jama Ogum, but Ogum plays the Dodo Banko Mazaz and the Kotoko. Now based on no observation, on one kasa, the Ohuni say a beboa, and I jabi Bibia man or since I mean just sure say it was there was a point you force to play a bit on him, and your poster signings and so also poster signings and the coach now kasa yepe. I thought be a supporters demand player be sorry no more ba supporters sorry kasi yepa a club ne ko sign without say coach Krabeka say me pa na say mempe. In the course of the season BCC mempe say yebeko, but the most important thing they say in the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League season pre-season Kotoko be coach Ogum any outright 100% right or the best sign players. Everything will be subjected to recruitment committee Krobia for me, and we falls in order, and I think that's just the right thing to do, which has been long overdue. Our club it is Asante Kotoko.